Ready to pass your DMV test with confidence? Welcome to MyTestExam. In this video, we bring you 30 carefully designed North Carolina DMV permit test questions for 2026. Whether you're a first-time test taker or just need a quick revision, this practice test will help you understand key rules, improve your confidence, and avoid common mistakes. Let's get started and move one step closer to passing your permit test. Question 1. When approaching a railroad crossing with flashing red lights, what must a driver do? A. Slow down and proceed if no train is seen. B. Stop only if a train is visible. C. Stop completely and wait until lights stop flashing. D. Drive around the barrier if safe. Answer C. Flashing red lights at a railroad crossing require a full stop. Drivers must remain stopped until signals deactivate, even if no train is immediately visible. Question 2. What is the safest way to handle a tire blowout while driving? A. Slam on the brakes immediately. B. Grip the steering wheel firmly and gradually slow down. C. Turn sharply to the shoulder. D. Accelerate to regain control. Answer B. Maintaining control and gradually slowing down prevents skidding or loss of control. Sudden braking can worsen the situation. Question 3. When driving in heavy rain, which headlights should be used? A. High beams. B. Parking lights only. C. No lights. D. Low beams. Answer D. Low beams improve visibility without reflecting off rain, unlike high beams which can reduce visibility. Question 4. A solid white line between lanes means A. Passing is encouraged. B. Traffic moves in opposite directions. C. Lane changes should be avoided. D. Road is under construction. Answer C. Solid white lines discourage lane changes as it may be unsafe in that section of the road. Question 5. What should you do if you miss your exit on a highway? A. Reverse carefully. B. Make a U-turn immediately. C. Stop in the lane. D. Continue to the next exit. Answer D. It is unsafe and illegal to stop or reverse on highways. Proceed to the next exit safely. Question 6. When two vehicles arrive at a four-way stop at the same time, who has the right of way? A. The driver on the left. B. The driver on the right. C. The fastest driver. D. The largest vehicle. Answer B. At a four-way stop, the driver on the right has the right of way when vehicles arrive simultaneously. Question 7. What is the purpose of rumble strips on the road? A. Increase speed. B. Improve fuel efficiency. C. Alert drivers through vibration and sound. D. Mark parking areas. Answer C. Rumble strips warn inattentive drivers by creating noise and vibration when crossed, helping prevent accidents. Question 8. When should you signal before making a turn? A. At the exact moment of turning. B. Only if other cars are present. C. At least 100 feet before the turn. D. After completing the turn. Answer C. Signaling at least 100 feet in advance provides adequate warning to other drivers of your intended movement. Question 9. If your vehicle begins to hydroplane, what should you do? A. Brake hard. B. Accelerate quickly. C. Turn sharply. D. Ease off the accelerator. Answer, D. Reducing speed gradually helps tires regain traction on wet surfaces, reducing the risk of losing control. Question 10. What does a yellow flashing traffic light indicate? A. Stop completely. B. Proceed with caution. C. Speed up. D. Turn only. Answer, B. A flashing yellow light warns drivers to proceed carefully and be alert for potential hazards or cross traffic. Question 11. When approaching a curve on a rural road, what is the safest driving action? A. Increase speed to pass quickly. B. Brake suddenly in the curve. C. Maintain speed and honk. D. Slow down before entering the curve. Answer, D. Reducing speed before entering a curve improves vehicle control and reduces the risk of skidding or losing traction. Question 12. What does a double solid yellow line mean? A. Passing allowed in both directions. B. Passing allowed on one side only. C. No passing in either direction. D. Lane reserved for buses. Answer, C. Double solid yellow lines indicate that passing is prohibited for traffic in both directions due to safety concerns. Question 13. If your brakes fail while driving, what should you do first? A. Turn off the engine immediately. B. Pump the brake pedal repeatedly. C. Jump out of the vehicle. D. Shift to a higher gear. Answer, B. Pumping the brake pedal may help build pressure and restore braking ability, especially in older systems. Question 14. When driving at night, when should you dim your high beams? A. Only in city areas. B. When approaching another vehicle. C. When driving alone. D. Only at intersections. Answer, B. High beams should be dimmed when approaching other vehicles to avoid blinding other drivers and ensure safety. Question 15. What is the purpose of a center turn lane? A. For parking vehicles. B. For emergency vehicles only. C. For making left turns from either direction. D. For high-speed passing. Answer, C. A center turn lane allows vehicles from both directions to safely make left turns without blocking traffic flow. Question 16. What should you do when you see a pedestrian using a white cane? A. Continue driving normally. B. Honk to alert them. C. Stop and yield the right of way. D. Pass quickly. Answer, C. A white cane indicates a visually impaired pedestrian. Drivers must stop and allow them to cross safely. Question 17. What does a green traffic light mean? A. Stop immediately. B. Proceed only after stopping. C. Proceed if the intersection is clear. D. Turn only. Answer, C. A green light allows drivers to proceed, but they must still ensure the intersection is clear of vehicles and pedestrians. Question 18. When parallel parking, what is the first step? A. Turn the wheel sharply. B. Signal and stop next to the vehicle in front of the space. C. Reverse immediately. D. Honk before parking. Answer B. Positioning your vehicle correctly next to the front car ensures proper alignment before backing into the parking space. Question 19. What should you do if an oncoming vehicle is drifting into your lane? A. Speed up. B. Move to the right and slow down. C. Turn left. D. Stop in the lane. Answer B. Moving right and slowing down reduces the chance of collision and provides more space to react safely. Question 20. What is the safest way to check your blind spot? A. Look in the rearview mirror only. B. Use side mirrors only. C. Turn your head and look over your shoulder. D. Rely on sensors. Answer C. Physically turning your head ensures you check areas not visible in mirrors, reducing the risk of collisions during lane changes. Question 21. What should you do when approaching a work zone with orange signs? A. Maintain normal speed. B. Increase speed to pass quickly. C. Ignore workers. D. Slow down and follow posted instructions. Answer D. Work zones require reduced speed and increased awareness to protect workers and other drivers. Ignoring signs can lead to serious accidents. Question 22. When is it legal to pass another vehicle on the right? A. Never. B. Only on one-lane roads. C. When there is enough space and it is safe. D. Only at night. Answer C. Passing on the right is allowed when there is sufficient space, such as on multi-lane roads, and it can be done safely. Question 23. What does a triangular red and white sign indicate? A. Stop. B. Yield. C. No entry. D. Warning. Answer B. A triangular red and white sign indicates yield, meaning drivers must give the right of way to other traffic. Question 24. If you are being tailgate, what is the safest action? A. Brake suddenly. B. Speed up aggressively. C. Move to another lane or allow the vehicle to pass. D. Ignore completely. Answer C. Allowing the tailgater to pass reduces risk and prevents potential rear-end collisions. Question 25. What is the main purpose of traffic signals? A. Decorate roads. B. Control traffic flow safely. C. Increase driving speed. D. Replace road signs. Answer B. Traffic signals are designed to regulate traffic movement and reduce the risk of accidents at intersections. Question 26. What should you do before changing lanes? A. Signal and check mirrors and blind spots. B. Turn immediately. C. Honk loudly. D. Accelerate without checking. Answer A. Proper lane changes require signaling and checking mirrors and blind spots to avoid collisions. Question 27. When driving downhill, what is the safest practice? A. Shift to a lower gear. B. Turn off the engine. C. Increase speed. D. Brake continuously hard. Answer A. Using a lower gear helps control speed and reduces reliance on brakes, preventing overheating. Question 28. What does a broken yellow line mean? A. No passing allowed. B. Passing allowed when safe. C. Stop required. D. One-way traffic only. Answer B. A broken yellow line indicates passing is allowed if it can be done safely without interfering with oncoming traffic. Question 29. What should you do if your headlights suddenly fail at night? A. Continue driving at same speed. B. Turn on hazard lights and pull over safely. C. Close your eyes briefly. D. Speed up to reach destination faster. Answer B. If headlights fail, activate hazard lights and pull over immediately to avoid danger to yourself and others. Question 30. What is the safest way to approach a green light that has been green for a long time? A. Assume it will stay green. B. Speed up. C. Prepare to stop. D. Ignore surroundings. Answer C. A stale green light may change soon, so drivers should be ready to stop safely if the signal changes.